Each year, PTEN celebrates new and innovative products for shops and technicians with its innovation awards. The Lisle Electrical Disconnect Pliers are one of this year's highest scoring winners. The pliers are designed to easily remove locking push style electrical connectors found on mass airflow sensors, fuel injectors, ignition coils, and other applications. Here to tell us more about the electrical disconnect pliers is Eddie Lisle, the sales manager for Lisle Corporation. Thanks so much for joining me today.
Thank you for having me.
All right, so can you tell me what makes this product so innovative?
So I guess, this has been innovative for several reasons. This has been something that people dealt with for a long time. There's a lot of these little electrical connectors that are found on vehicles. The main thing here is there's a little tab that you have to slide over to unlock before you can pull out the connector. And, other times you may need to just push down on the tab to pull the connector out with the pliers. But these locking push tab style connectors, like you said, they're found on mass airflow sensors, fuel injectors, ignition coils, and other applications. But what makes them innovative is on one side of the pliers, you'll have like some nice jaws to, really grip and support the bottom of the connector. And then on the other side, there's a hook style, and that's what's used to unlock the tab. So that's kind of what, I guess it was kind of a light bulb moment for the person when they invented this tool. So it was a problem that a lot of people face, and the tool really does the job well.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Mm.
So can you talk to me about just how this product will improve the lives of technicians and shop owners?
Yeah. So the pliers are very useful because, you're going to use these instead of, messing up your hands and fingers when you're down there trying to get the connector loose. So it's really going to allow the technician to use the tool with one hand and then also be able to get to those connectors in tight spots. Another key thing is going to save you time and money. But also, like many Lisle tools, you're not going to break the bank, and it's very simple to use.
All right. So what has the feedback been from technicians who've purchased this tool?
Yeah, people absolutely love this tool. Every time we come out with a new release of tools, internally we're kind of like, I wonder how this one's going to do. And, we guessed wrong. We didn't have any idea it would do as well as it did. And it's just sometimes hard to know. But I mean, we've sold hundreds of thousands of these pliers. We create a quick 30-second video for a lot of our tools. And what's cool to see and what helped this tool kind of take off was several people on social media turn around and did their own video, and it kind of went viral on social media to help give it a push. So these have sold really, really well. Definite need for them.
That's awesome. And what was the inspiration behind creating this product?
So this is actually really important to tell everybody. This one actually came from our tool idea program. So someone submitted their tool idea to us, and we went to market with it. We've been doing this program for over 50 years, and we catalog all the tool ideas that we receive. So, even if years go by and we finally want to go forward with a tool idea, we would contact the person and, we say, hey, we'd like to pay you a royalty and bring your tool to market. And so right now I can tell you we currently pay over 100 people a royalty for their tool ideas that we went to market with. So, this one was a definite home run. It's our best-selling tool now. So I would urge anybody, if you got a tool idea, go on our website, submit it to us. You never know, you might have the next home run tool idea that we could bring to market. So if you have a tool idea, don't set on the idea. A lot of people think you got to have like a patent or blueprints or big, a lot of things planned out. But if you can just tell us what your headache is, we can work with you and we can maybe bring your tool idea to market and you'll get a royalty check from us. So pretty cool.
Yeah, I mean, what better way to get ideas for new tools than from the technicians themselves who are working on these vehicles and having the problems that you might not be seeing, but they do day in, day out.
Exactly. Yep, they're on the front lines and they know what they need to do the job or have an idea of how to do it. So comes from them. That's the best.
So, is there anything else that I should know about this product?
Yeah. So because this tool was, so successful, we came up with version 2 of this tool. And what we did is we kind of listened to some of the feedback, good and bad, or just, suggestions on how we could improve it. And so we recently came out with our 37980 electrical disconnect pliers 60-degree version. So what we did is we put a little angle on the tips that allows you to reach in kind of some more of those hard to reach areas. We also added a spring to the pliers as well. So, we're hoping version 2 will do as well as version 1. At least we hope so anyways, but both are on the market, so check them both out.
Nice. Yeah, it's got to be nice when you can take what was already a great idea and take that feedback that you've received to continue improving on it.
That's what we love to do. And whether it's just improving a tool that's already existing or if it can be a brand new tool that is useful, that's also great.
All right. Well, thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate it.
Thanks for having me.